Hello kids! Are you ready for our today's lesson? I'm Teacher Grace and join me on another journey in the field of science. Come on and let's begin! We will be discussing today about the basic needs of living organisms. Let's have a review first. Put a check mark if it is a living thing and cross mark if it is not. 3. Dog. Table. House. People. Look at the pictures. In picture 1, what are the kids doing? Picture 2, what is the dog doing? And the last picture, what is the boy doing? What do you think will happen to human and animal if they don't eat? What do you think will happen also to the plant if we don't water them? Humans, animals, and plants are living things. They grow and develop. They can move and have senses to respond to stimuli. They reproduce their own kind. Every living organism have basic needs in order to live and survive. What are the basic needs of humans, animals, and plants? Sunlight, shelter or habitat, water, air, food. Let's discuss it one by one. Sunlight. Sunlight is the source of energy needed by plants to make their own food in a process called photosynthesis. It also provides heat and light for animals and humans. Habitat. Different organisms grow and thrive in different environments that serve as their home or habitat. Habitat is the place where an organism lives. Some plants and animals live in colder environments, while others prefer hot and dry places. Water. Water is the medium in which living cells and tissues work. To some plants and animals, water serves as their living environment. Air. The air is made up of different gases. Two most important gases are oxygen and carbon dioxide. Plants need carbon dioxide to live and expel oxygen as waste. Animals and humans, on the other hand, need oxygen to breathe and give off carbon dioxide as waste. Food. Food provides nutrients converted into energy. Energy enables an organism to function, grow, move, respond to stimuli, and do work. All living organisms depend on the environment for survival. The amount and nature of their basic needs vary. For example, the amount of water a fish needs to survive is not the same amount a desert cactus needs to survive. Though both of them need water, the amount of their water needs varies because they are different organisms. Now that you know already the basic needs of living things, I want you to get your paper and pencil and answer this activity. Cross out the pictures that is not a basic needs of living things. Car, cell phone, jewelries, chair, airplane. Good job, kids! Let's remember that living things like humans, animals, and plants have basic needs like food, habitat, air, water, and sunlight in order to live and survive. Are you ready for more activities? For activity 1, cross out the picture that is not a basic needs of animals. Activity 2, circle the things that do not belong to the basic needs of humans. Activity 3. Encircle the things that do not belong to the basic needs of plants. And for the last activity, write true if the sentence is correct and false if it is not. Now, let's check your answers. For activity 1, for activity 2, for activity 3, for activity 4, number 1. Living organisms need nutrients for energy in order to survive. True. Number 2. Humans receive nutrients coming from the sun for their food-making process. False. Why? It is the plants that need nutrients coming from the sun for their food-making process, which is called photosynthesis. Number 3. All living organisms can survive any kind of environment. False. Why? All living organisms depend on their environment for survival. Number 4. Plants need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis and give off oxygen. True. Number 5. Not all living organisms can grow, develop, and reproduce. It is false. Why? Because all living organisms can grow, develop, and reproduce. Job well done, kids! Congratulations, kids! You have learned today about the basic needs of living things. Again, I'm Teacher Grace saying, do your best and God will do the rest. Bye! Thank you!